Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning. Standard 12 Science, Subject Maths, Chapter number 2, Inverse Trigonometric Function. Now, miscellaneous examples. Look at here. Find the value of sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5. We know the principle of sine inverse. The domain of range of the sine inverse function is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. First of all, first we check the value of 3 pi by 5 is in, so 3 pi by 5 not belongs to in minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So first we change the value sine inverse sine 3 pi by 5 in the proper range. Clear, student? So sine pi minus 3 pi by 5 is not change the function. So value of sine 5 pi is 5 pi minus 3 pi divided by 5. So sine 2 pi by 5. Value sine 3 pi by 5 is equals to, we write sine 2 pi by 5. And 2 pi by 5 belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Clear, student? So sine inverse sine pi minus 3 pi by 5. So sine inverse sine 2 pi by 5. Look at here, sine and sine inverse function are cancelled, so answer is 2 pi by 5 is our correct answer. Now second example, so sine inverse 3 by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 17 is equals to cos inverse 84 by 85. This is one is most IMP question for trigonometric inverse functions chapter. Clear? So let's first sine inverse 3 by 5 is equals to x. There implies sine x is equals to 3 by 5. Sine x equals to 3 by 5. We have here sine function's value 3 by 5. Then we got cos x is equals to square root of 1 minus sine square x is equals to square root of 1 minus 9 by 15. We put the value of sine x. Sine x is equal to 3 by 5. When we put 3 by 5, square is equals to 9 by 25. Sorry, 9 by 25. Take LCM, 25 and 25 minus 9 is equals to square root of 16 by 25. Square root of 16 by 25 is equals to 4 by 5. The value of cos functions is 4 by 5. Similarly, take sine inverse 8 by 17 is equals to y. So sine y is equals to 8 by 17. Clear, student? Now cos y is equals to square root of 1 minus sine square y. Clear, student? Now square root of 1 minus 8 ka square 64 divided by 289. Take LCM, 289 minus 64 is equals to 225 divided by 289. Square root of 225 is equals to 15 divided by 17. Clear? Cos y is equals to 15 by 17. Now we use the addition formula of trigonometric function. Now cos x minus y is equals to, formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Clear, student? Now cos x minus y is equals to cos x is equals to, put the value 4 by 5 into cos y. Cos y is equals to 15 by 17. Clear? Plus sin x is equals to 3 by 5 and sin y is equals to 8 by 70. Look at here, denominator are same. 15 for ja 60 divided by 85 plus 8 for ja 24 divided by 85. The sum of denominator are same, then sum of numerator is equals to 84 by 85. Then we get cos x minus y is equals to 84 by 85. We get the value cos inverse 84 by 85 is equals to x minus y is equals to cos inverse 84 by 85. You know the relates sin inverse x, sin inverse 3 by 5 is equals to x and sin inverse 8 by 17 is equals to y. Put the value. So x is equals to sin inverse 3 by 5, sin inverse 3 by 5 minus y is equals to sin inverse 8 by 17. Sin inverse 8 by 17 is equals to cos inverse 84 by 85. Hence the proof. Clear, student? Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Bye.